welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how to cook 3 delicious Nigerian soup you will eat in this holiday. First is the chicken fresh curry chicken stew, and then ogbono soup and abacha, aka tapioca or African salad. So let's dive into it, everyone. So first, on how to make fresh chicken stew, the first thing I did is to place my pot on fire, then add my tomato puree, this fresh tomato puree. And then the next thing I did is to add my vegetable oil and go in with my chopped onion. This is the healthy way to make your stew without frying the vegetable oil and also the onions. Keep watching. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cover it to cook. Cover to cook, and then keep watching. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. So allow it to cook on a low flame, medium flame, yeah, for 10 good minutes. And after 10 good minutes, I'll stir it to combine. And then while that is aside, this is our fresh curry leaf. Hello my brothers and sisters abroad, I believe you know this leaf very well. It gives a very nice aroma and flavor to your fresh chicken stew. When I say fresh chicken stew, the one you kill yourself. So keep watching and don't go away. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, because yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel. So I just took my time to pick out the leaf, and after that I'll wash it behind camera. So while that is aside, I'll continue to stir our stew, fresh chicken stew, not yet ready. It's just the tomato puree I'm stirring. Don't go away. In this very video I'm showing you 3 yummy recipes, Nigerian delicious recipes, how to cook them. You will love to enjoy it. Remember, in-laws will come around, friends will come around. All right, so I just added 1 tablespoonful of seasoning, then salt to add to taste, and continue to stir. This very chicken stew does not require much seasoning and spices. Only salt and seasoning is very okay. You don't need to add much spices. Like when I'm using fresh curry leaf, I don't add the dry one. I just allow this to bring out its taste. So at this point, our tomato is ready, is dried enough. Remember, we don't want to fry it too much. So at this point, I will just go ahead and add my fresh chicken. It was already cooked behind camera. So after adding it, I will mix to combine. And the next thing I will do is to add the chicken stock and continue cooking. Keep watching. I always say that on my videos. Keep cooking. Keep watching. Yeah. So after adding my chicken stock, I just mix to combine and allow to cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you see how yummy the stew is looking already. Our tomato sauce. So the next thing I did is to add my fresh curry leaf. This curry leaf gives your stew, chicken stew, a very nice flavor. If you've not given it a try, please give it a try. So you see how yummy this stew was. So delicious. It goes very well with fresh bread. Just scoop it. So this can be eaten with yam, rice, plantain. The choice is yours. So let's dive into our number 2 yummy recipe. So on a clean pot, I added my sauté, that is cow leg, cow skin, beef. Then I added my stockfish, dry fish, and freshly chopped onions, seasoning to taste, black pepper to taste, salt to taste. Then because they are salted is already parboiled, I will add water and allow to cook for 10 minutes. So while this is aside, this is the leaf I'll be using, uziza leaf. And then after 10 minutes, I will go ahead and use my turning stick and stir to combine, and then I will add the quantity of water I want to use for the soup. Don't go away, and if you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe. The next thing I added is the crayfish and allowed to cook for 15 minutes. While that is aside, on a clean pot I place on fire. When it gets hot, I add palm oil and then go ahead and add my ogbono, blended ogbono seed on a medium flame and continue to stir for 5 minutes. And after stirring it, I'll set it aside and check on my soup water. Now it's ready, so I get ahead and add the ogbono already fried ones step by step. Add this bit by bit and mix to combine until you get the consistency you will like. Ogbono is one of those yummy soup you mustn't miss. Kids love it. You won't stop eating with ogbono soup. It's like eat. I always have that feeling. I don't know about others. And then with uziza leaf, it takes it to another level. So I just added the leaf and mixed to combine, and it's ready. This goes along with any swallow of fufu, pounded yam, eba. The choice is yours. Alright, so our number 3 yummy recipe is our tapioca African salad known as abacha. So I got the dry one here. The next thing I will do is to soak it with a warm water for 20 to 40 minutes so it's become soft enough. Keep watching and don't go away. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to like, comment, share. All the quantities and names of all ingredients will be at the description box down below. So while that is aside, on a clean bowl, I added my already washed catfish and then marinate it. The abacha will be eaten with fresh fish. And then while that is aside, on a low heat, I stir my African calabash nutmeg, everyone. And after I stir it for 10 to 15 minutes, when it turns brown, I peel it off, and this is it. So I'll be pounding it behind camera. You could blend yours. So while that is aside, the next thing I do is to place my pan on fire. When it gets hot, I add my palm oil and allow to blanch on a medium flame for just 1 minute. And after doing that, I added my already chopped onions. Please remember to allow it cool so that you do not get choked. And then I added my crayfish and then my African nutmeg. This gives your abacha a very nice flavor and aroma. Then I'll mix this to combine, and next I'll add my already soaked abacha and mix to combine. Oh wow, the aroma, the flavor has taken all over the kitchen. My clothing is feeling it. Alright, keep watching. Please give this a try and you will love it. It's so simple but yummy and presentable. You could serve this to your guests. Alright, so our abacha, aka African salad, is ready. So I'm going to transfer it to a serving plate. So on this very video, I just showed you 3 yummy delicious delicacies you would like to enjoy this holiday or anytime. So here is our abacha. looking tantalizing. Let me know what you think about this video on the comment section down below, and thanks so much Jenny subscribers for your wonderful support. So in this very video today, I just showed you how I cook my fresh chicken curry stew. Very simple. All ingredients and the quantity will be at the description box down below, and here is it. It can be eaten with any rice of your choice. And number 2 is our ogbono. It goes well with any swallow, and it's also good for guests. Then lastly, we have our bacha, aka African salad. All right, thanks. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.